The strategy that got you to here is not going to be the strategy that will get you to the next level. Too often when we're working with business owners or founders who perhaps have grown their business to a certain level, is that generally they think that they need to keep going back to the things that got them to this level of success. And I guarantee you that when it comes to scaling your sales and scaling your business, the strategies that got you to where you are today are not going to be the same strategies that get you to where you are in the future. For a lot of people, they look to automations, they look to opportunities to streamline a lot of the stuff that they're doing, rather than going out and finding a very resourceful group of people that can embody their message and the authority and credibility that their company and services can offer. They look to the easy solution. How can we have more funnels and more email campaigns? How can we create automation where we don't need to hire more people? How can we get people to buy online without having a conversation with them? And while I'm not against any of these things that help to make you more efficient in your sales process or make the customer engagement process more streamlined or easier to access without having to speak to an individual, one of the things that I've found, particularly in today's climate, is that our buyers are just that much more discerning. People know what they want. They're clear on the outcomes that they want to produce, and often they just want to talk to somebody to get a sense of trust and certainty that when they make this decision to invest in your organization, they feel confident within themselves that the things that are being promised are actually going to be delivered.